Hello everyone! Today we're talking about World Islamic Day. This day is celebrated by Muslims all around the globe, and it's a time filled with joy, reflection, and community. It's a day where we come together to honor our faith, our traditions, and our shared values. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet village, the spirit of World Islamic Day is felt everywhere. It's a super special day for Muslims everywhere. People gather in large groups, sharing smiles and laughter. The markets are bustling with activity, and there's a sense of excitement in the air. It's a day when everyone comes together, regardless of their background, to celebrate the essence of Islam. It's like a big family reunion where we celebrate what we believe in. Families come together, often traveling long distances to be with their loved ones. Picnics and gatherings are common, with people sharing delicious food and enjoying each other's company. It's a time to strengthen family bonds and create lasting memories. It's a time to think about important things and be happy. Many people take this opportunity to reflect on their lives, their faith, and their goals. It's a moment of introspection and gratitude. Whether it's by a serene lake or in a peaceful garden, the tranquility of the day allows for deep reflection and spiritual growth. Here in Bangladesh, it's a really big deal. The streets are filled with people celebrating, and the city comes alive with vibrant colors and sounds. From the aerial view, you can see the entire city immersed in the festivities. It's a sight to behold, and a testament to the importance of this day in our culture. We celebrate with lots of excitement. There are parades, dances, and various cultural performances that showcase the rich heritage of Islam. People of all ages participate, and the energy is contagious. It's a day of joy and celebration, where everyone is united in their happiness. Families and friends get together. It's a time to reconnect with those we care about. Whether it's a picnic in the park or a gathering in someone's garden, the focus is on spending quality time with loved ones. Laughter, stories, and shared experiences make the day even more special. We go to the mosque to pray. Prayer is a central part of World Islamic Day. Muslims gather in mosques to offer their prayers and seek blessings. The sight of people praying in unison, bathed in soft, warm light, is truly beautiful. It's a moment of spiritual connection and devotion. It's a beautiful thing to see. The panoramic view of people praying together, whether indoors or outdoors, is awe-inspiring. It symbolizes unity and the collective strength of the Muslim community. The mosque becomes a place of gathering, reflection, and spiritual rejuvenation. Everyone wears their best clothes. On this special day, people dress in their finest traditional attire. The colorful clothes add to the festive atmosphere, and everyone looks their best. It's a way of showing respect for the occasion and celebrating in style. You can feel the peace and happiness all around. The joy of World Islamic Day is palpable. Children play happily and people interact warmly with one another. The sense of community, peace, and happiness is everywhere, making it a day to remember and cherish. Ever wondered how World Islamic Day began? It's a fascinating story that takes us back to the vibrant city of Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. This bustling metropolis, known for its rich culture and history, played a pivotal role in the inception of this significant day. Well, it all started right here in Bangladesh. The year was 1980, a time when the world was witnessing significant changes and challenges. Amidst this backdrop, Dhaka became the meeting ground for a historic gathering. Back in 1980, Muslim leaders from all over the world met in Dhaka. These leaders, representing various countries and cultures, came together with a shared vision. They convened in a grand conference hall, filled with an air of anticipation and hope. They wanted to find ways for Muslims to be more united and support each other. The discussions were intense and heartfelt as they delved into the challenges faced by Muslims globally. They prayed together, seeking guidance and strength. They talked about the problems Muslims face around the world. Issues like poverty, lack of education, and political instability were at the forefront of their discussions. They knew that unity and mutual support were crucial in addressing these challenges. After lots of talking, they decided to have a special day to celebrate Islam. This day would serve as a reminder of their shared faith and the importance of coming together as a global community. It was a decision that resonated deeply with everyone present. They called it World Islamic Day. This name was chosen to reflect the universal nature of the celebration, transcending borders and cultures. It was a day meant to foster understanding, peace, and solidarity among Muslims worldwide. It was a huge moment. The announcement was met with cheers and celebrations. Fireworks lit up the night sky over Dhaka, symbolizing the dawn of a new era of unity and cooperation among Muslims. This showed how much Muslims wanted to be united and understand each other. World Islamic Day became a symbol of hope and a testament to the power of unity. It continues to inspire Muslims around the world to come together, celebrate their faith, and work towards a better future for all. Bangladesh and Islam have a special bond. Here, Islam isn't just a religion, it's a way of life. It's part of everything we do. You can feel it as soon as you arrive in Bangladesh. You'll hear the call to prayer from the mosques. You'll see mosques everywhere, tall and beautiful. World Islamic Day is extra special for us in Bangladesh. It's a day to remember what we believe and to celebrate our history. World Islamic Day isn't just about special prayers or events, it's about what Islam really means. It's about following the Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Islam teaches us to be kind, fair, and treat everyone equally. It tells us to learn, work hard, and help people in need. World Islamic Day reminds us of these important things. It's a day to think about how we can be better Muslims. World Islamic Day isn't just a day on the calendar. It makes a real difference in people's lives. I remember a story about a poor boy in Bangladesh. He didn't have new clothes for Eid. On World Islamic Day, his mosque collected clothes and money for people in need. The boy was so happy to get new clothes. This shows how World Islamic Day makes people kind and generous. It reminds us to think of others and help those who are struggling. Muslims all over the world celebrate World Islamic Day. From Jakarta to Marrakesh, we all celebrate together. It doesn't matter where you're from or what your culture is, it brings us all together. Whether we're praying in a big mosque or at home, we're all connected. It reminds us that we're all part of something bigger. World Islamic Day is a time to think about ourselves. Are we living the way Islam teaches us? Are we helping our communities and making the world a better place? It's also a time to do something. How can we make a difference today? How can we spread peace and understanding? These are important questions we should all ask. World Islamic Day helps us remember our faith and be the best we can be. As we celebrate World Islamic Day, let's remember to be united and understand each other. This day is not just about recognizing the contributions of the Islamic community, but also about fostering a sense of togetherness among all people. It's a reminder that despite our differences, we share common values of love, peace, and respect. By embracing these values, we can build a more harmonious world. Let's talk to people of all religions and backgrounds and spread peace. Engaging in conversations with those who have different beliefs and traditions can open our minds and hearts. It allows us to see the world from various perspectives and appreciate the richness of our diverse cultures. When we take the time to listen and understand, we break down barriers and build bridges of friendship and trust. Let's use this day to connect with each other and work together. Whether it's through community service, cultural exchanges, or simply spending time with one another, every effort counts. By working together, we can address common challenges and create solutions that benefit everyone. This collaboration strengthens our communities and fosters a sense of belonging and mutual support. World Islamic Day isn't just a celebration, it's an opportunity to reflect on the values that unite us and to take action towards a more inclusive society. Celebrations like these remind us of the beauty of our shared humanity and the importance of coming together in joy and solidarity. It's a call to do something good. Acts of kindness and service, no matter how small, can have a profound impact on our communities. Volunteering, helping a neighbor, or participating in environmental initiatives are just a few ways we can contribute to the well-being of others. These actions not only improve the lives of those around us, but also bring us closer together as a community. It's a call to follow the true spirit of Islam and make the world a better place for everyone. The teachings of Islam emphasize compassion, justice, and the importance of helping those in need. By embodying these principles, we can contribute to a more just and equitable world. Let's strive to live by these values every day and inspire others to do the same. Let's promise to make a difference starting today. Commit to actions that promote peace, understanding, and cooperation. Whether it's through personal growth, community involvement, or advocating for social justice, every step we take towards positive change matters. Let's hold ourselves accountable and encourage others to join us in this journey. Let's share the message of peace, love, and unity that Islam teaches us. What do you think? These values are universal and can resonate with people of all backgrounds. By spreading this message, we can create a ripple effect that inspires others to act with kindness and compassion. Let's use our voices and actions to promote a culture of peace and understanding. How can we help people understand and respect each other more? One way is through education and awareness. By learning about different cultures and religions, we can dispel myths and stereotypes that often lead to misunderstanding and conflict. Encouraging open and respectful dialogue is another powerful tool. When we create spaces where people feel safe to share their experiences and perspectives, we foster mutual respect and empathy. Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear your ideas on how we can promote unity and understanding in our communities. Your insights and experiences are valuable, and together, we can make a difference.